Welcome to my students. Myself Atiranjan Behra. I am lecturing chemistry of Narada Vidya Mandir, Close to Science College, Burampur. So last class we discussed two colligative properties. There are four colligative properties already discussed. The first colligative property is relating lower vapor pressure. Second property is elevation in boiling point. The third property is depression in freezing point. And also fourth property is osmotic pressure. So today I will discuss to the abnormal colligative properties. So already discussed what is the colligative properties. The colligative properties is depends upon the number of particles. Colligative property depends to number of particles and independent of the number of nature of solute. Nature of solute. তোমার colligative property কার উপর ডিপেন্ড করছে number of particles ডিপেন্ড করছে and independent of nature of solute. In case তোমার মনে হলো solute electrolyte or non electrolyte. But in the electrolyte the solute can be dissociation like NaCl, KCl, MgCl2, aluminum sulfate, and also acid HCl and base. These are electrolyte solute. Non-electrolyte, these solutes are association like sugar, urea, glucose, etc. These are association. In case of electrolyte and non-electrolyte solute, the colligative value can be deviate either higher value or reduced value. This properties is called colligative properties. Like काहे deviation करछे the value either तमरो observation value किछि सेकंड को जे deviation करछ for colligative property ताके हम कहबा abnormal colligative properties. तमे गोटे colligative property नियो del Tb elevation boiling point Kp into m. आगु तुम कौन कहो बाय एक्सपेरिमेंटल वैल्यू बाहर करो. इन केस तुम देचे सॉल्यूशन बॉइलिंग पॉइंट देचे 120 डिग्री. नेक्स्ट सॉल्वेंट दिस इज 100 डिग्री सेल्सियस. What is the del Tb solution minus solvent is equal to del Tb is equal to कितना आसिल हमरो 20 डिग्री सेल्सियस. एल्कोमेट बाय एक्सपेरिमेंट वैल्यू कितना आसिल हमरो del Tb is equal to 20 डिग्री सेल्सियस. इन केस तुम कैलकुलेशन करिवो Kb वैल्यू मेंशन देथिवो मोलालिटी वैल्यू पकियो. वैल्यू पकले del Tb कितना आसिल हमरो सेटा आसिलते 10 डिग्री सेल्सियस. This is experimental value and this is calculated value. By experimental value कितना आसिल हमरो 20 डिग्री सेल्सियस and the calculated value 10 डिग्री सेल्सियस. The value कोन deviation करिवो either higher value or reduced value assume. These properties is called colligative properties. हला in case of dissociation कोन होची त मनर NaCl ले NaCl केतना लो 1 mole of NaCl solute न लो मतलब dissociate से कोन होची Na plus Cl minus 1 mole of Na plus 1 mole of Cl minus ले केतना नंबर मिलला 2 mole मिलला. In case dissociation कोन number of particles increase होची. This number of particles increases. So value कोन होटी higher value assume. As compared to calculated value experimental कोन सिटी higher value show करे. Next this is association. Association मानो sugar नबो. Sugar से कोन करे associate करिवो. In case solution से कोन करिवो associate करो dissociate करे नहीं. 1 mole of sugar नेचो 1 mole of sugar कोन करे associate करिवो. So the value it is slightly reduced करिवो and the value can be deviated. This property is abnormal colligative. Simply मन रखो what is the abnormal colligative properties? Like the colligative properties can deviate either dissociation or association. This called is abnormal colligative properties. For example, magnesium chloride. एटी केते नेलो 1 मोल नेलो मतलब डिसोसिएट से कोन होचे Mg2 plus 2Cl केतना मिलला एटी 1 मोल एंड 2 मोल टोटल 3 मोल मिल तो वैल्यू कोन हबो एज नंबर ऑफ पार्टिकल्स इंक्रीज होचे तो वैल्यू कोन हबो हायर वैल्यू शो करू मतलब एसोसिएशन रे वैल्यू रिड्यूस करू under dissociation the number of particles increases so the qualitative properties has higher value in case of association it leads to reduce the number of particles so the value can also be reduced. Next, Ventov factor. What is the Ventov factor? The Ventov factor is defined as the ratio of the experimental value of colligative property to the calculated or calculated value of colligative property. What is the Ventov factor? The Ventov factor is the ratio of the experimental value of colligative properties divided by calculated value of colligative properties. So I is equal to experimental value of colligative property divided by calculated value of colligative property. And also I is equal to the number of particles after dissociation or association divided by number of solute molecules taken. कौन पूछले what is the I मरन कहतली in case तो del TB is equal to Kp into m by experimental value बाहर करियो experimental कोना del TB is equal to T2 minus T1 in case of the solution 120 degree Celsius and T1 100 degree Celsius. By experimental value केता आसिला 20 degree Celsius. By calculated करिवो Kb value देथिवो molarity value weight calculation करिवो 10 degree Celsius. Del Tb 10 degree Celsius. Like what is the high experimental value 20 by 10 is equal to the Ventov factor is equal to मन रहिला I is equal to केता आसिला 2 एटी तमर वैल्यू डेविएशन कला नाही एटी एक्सपेरिमेंटल वैल्यू केता आसिला 20 डिग्री सेल्सियस बाय कैलकुलेटर केता हला 10 डिग्री सेल्सियस तार I वैल्यू केता आसिला 2 ले काई डेविएशन करछि एटे number of particles it kon hochi increase hochi. This is kon I is equal to मन रखो I greater than 1 hela. This is dissociation. Number of particles it kon hochi increase. Vento factor kon hobo increase. In case of I less than 1, एटी कोन तमरा एटी एसोसिएट हो त नंबर ऑफ पार्टिकल्स कोन होची किछ पार्टिकल तमरा एसोसिएट करो त वैल्यू कोन होची लेस देन 1 ए केस रे कोन तमरा ऑब्जर्व molecular mass greater than normal molecular mass. This is observed molecular mass greater than normal. This is dissociation. Association. This is I greater than 1. In case less than, this is I less than 1. On the dissociation the number I greater than 1 less than 1 and dissociation I greater than 1. मन रखो so for dissociation greater value, association reduced value. And also I is equal to I is equal to relating lower vapor pressure del P divided by P naught. And so P naught minus PS लिख परिबो. This is observed value divided by del P by P naught by calculated value is equal to osmotic pressure observed value osmotic pressure by calculated value. The Vento factor also is equal to the ratio of the relating lower vapor pressure observation value and relating lower vapor pressure calculated is equal to osmotic pressure observation value osmotic pressure and by calculated value. And also molecular mass of calculated value divided by molecular mass of observation value. देखो एटी मु उल्टे ही लिखी छी calculated by observation value काहे लिखी तुम आगु जानतो colligative property is inversely proportional to molecular mass of solute. अगर हम प्रूव करछे the colligative property inversely proportional to molecular mass of solute. And also molecular mass of solute inversely proportional 1 by is the del P by P naught. This is relating lower vapor pressure and elevation boiling point and also freezing point and also osmotic pressure. These four colligative properties inversely proportional to molecular mass of solute. So it is called inversely proportional calculated value by observation. Next, application of Vento factor. Application of Vento factor. The Vento factor can be used to calculate calculated the value of dissociation or association. In case of dissociation or association, the Bantam factor degree of dissociation, the value of degree of dissociation or association can be calculated. First one देखो degree of dissociation. Degree of dissociation. What is the degree of dissociation? The degree of dissociation, like alpha. The degree of dissociation is defined as the number of particles dissociates to form the number of dissociate molecules, dissociate particles. Dissociate particles. In case of the consider equation, let us consider equation Na. This is the equation. This is the n mole of substance can dissociate. This is A. This is B plus C plus D. The number of particles dissociates. This is in case of this is let alpha is equal to this is the alpha is equal to degree of dissociation. The dissociable कितना होगा alpha, this alpha, this alpha, this alpha. The static this is number of moles is equal to 1 each. In case this starting substance number of 1. So in case of dissociation alpha मिला तो एटी number of moles कितना होगा 1 minus alpha. For example देखो मानो 2CH3 2CH3 2NaCl 2NaCl dissociate. This is 2Na plus 2Cl minus. एटी तुम्हारे कितना अच्छी 2NaCl. एटी number of mole कितना है 2 mole. Dissociate कितना है एटी alpha dissociate है ला 2 alpha dissociate है ला एटी आसियो 2 minus 2 alpha. Number of moles कितना अच्छी 2 mole अच्छी dissociate कितना मिलेगा alpha 2 alpha मिलेगा. This is concentration कितना हुआ number of moles 2 mole minus alpha. This is कौन reactant number of moles 2 minus alpha. सेम एटी हमें number of moles कितने consider कर ले 1 mole. Dissociate कितना हो जाए alpha mole dissociate हो जाए. लेकिन कितना एटी 1 minus alpha. This is alpha. एटा कितना लेगा हमें n alpha. हमला नेक्स्ट मानो 3 देखियो 3 NaCl एटी कितना हो 3 into 1 minus alpha 3 alpha dissociate. मतलब एटी हमें कंसीडर करछो alpha means होची 1 mole of substance can dissociate. alpha रेडी मीनिंग हमें 1 mole रे केते dissociate की बाहर करो सेठी 1 minus alpha एटी कंसीडर कर. एक कितना मिला 1 minus alpha this is n alpha. So the number of particles after dissociation before dissociation केतेला 1 mole of substance थिला dissociate तमरो n alpha मिला एटी केतना number of moles. This is 1 mole. Before dissociation, the number of particles after dissociation. After dissociation, starting केतेला number of moles 1 minus alpha. Dissociate केते मिला n alpha. This total this after dissociation कितना मिला starting 1 minus alpha and dissociation n alpha total 1 minus alpha plus n alpha. This is I is equal to the number of particles after dissociation divided by the number of solutes taken, and also the number of before dissociation. This is number of particles after dissociation. This is 1 minus alpha plus n alpha divided by number of molecules before dissociation कितना 1. This is I is equal to 1 minus alpha plus n alpha, and also I is equal to 1 minus alpha n alpha. This is I minus 1 is equal to n alpha minus alpha. This is I minus 1 is equal to alpha common लीजिए. This is n minus 1. This alpha is equal to 1 minus 1 divided by n minus 1. And also alpha is equal to 1 minus I divided by 1 minus n. For example, मानिए NaCl dissociate कितना मिला Na plus Cl minus alpha इक्वल करेगा 1 minus I means it तुम्हारा कौन होची number of moles कितने dissociate वाला कितने 2 divided by 1 minus this is n is equal to number of moles कितने है इसे मतलब 128 value value कौन है तुम्हारा n alpha value number of moles है number 2 नहीं number of moles 1 अच्छे. This is 1 minus 2 minus 1 number of moles जितनी देते value पकेंगे. This is dissociation. Next association. Degree of association. What is the degree of association? The degree of association is defined as the fraction of total number of molecules combine to form the S number of associate molecules. Associate molecules. एटी तुम्हारा कौन होगा association होगा. Let degree of association alpha. Let us consider equation. This is Na. This is reversible reaction. So this is A and N. एटी तुम concentration के तब 1 minus alpha. एटी तुम कौन मिलेगा alpha by एटी n alpha मिलता है. एटी तुम कौन होगा alpha by n. In case of 2 mole मिले this 2 mole ले से कौन आसियो alpha by 2. The number of associated moles This is alpha by n. The number of unassociated moles. This is 1 minus alpha. Total number of moles. Total number of moles 1 minus alpha plus alpha by n. This is the total number of moles associated plus unassociated. What is the I? I is equal to observed colligative effect divided by normal colligative. I is equal to the total number of associated or unassociated divided by total number of solutes taken. This I is equal to total number of moles 1 minus alpha divided by alpha by n. Normal, this is 1. This is I is equal to 1 minus alpha by n. I minus 1 is equal to alpha by n minus alpha. This is I minus 1 is equal to alpha 1 minus 9 minus 1. Alpha is equal to I minus 1 by हम लोग का एक केस तुम कौन होगा I less than 1 dissociation I greater than 1. This is degree of association. So Bantoff factor can calculate the degree of dissociation and association. This is the application of Bantoff factor. So the question is in case 1m NaCl, 1m Na2SO4 and 1m aluminum sulfate. ये तीन दा तमरो सॉल्यूट देछि सोडियम क्लोराइड, सोडियम सल्फेट, aluminum sulfate. ये तीन दा केस रे ऑस्मोटिक प्रेशर कार हाई रहबो. Which of the following has high osmotic pressure? हमरा को क्वेश्चन आसे तमरो तीनटा सॉल्यूट देछि तीनटा सॉल्यूट रे ऑस्मोटिक प्रेशर कार हाई रहबो. मन रखो pi is equal to जान तमे CRT. C is equal to constant, C is equal to concentration, R is equal to constant, T is equal to constant, and I. Osmotic pressure का डिपेंड करिवो is the Bantoff factor. जार Bantoff factor अधिका थिबो osmotic pressure also high. The NaCl रो I केता हो नंबर ऑफ डिसोसिएट केता हो जे NaCl रो डिसोसिएट पार्टिकल केते बळे हमगो 2. This I is equal to 2. Next Na2SO4, this is 2Na plus SO4 2 minus. This is I is equal to 3. Next aluminum sulfate, this is 2 3 L3 plus 2 SO4 2 minus. This is I is equal to 5. ले कार अधिक आसी ठीक पांच होचे फर्स्ट रे हाईएस्ट ऑस्मोटिक प्रेशर कार फर्स्ट रे एल्युमिनियम सल्फेट, नेक्स्ट सोडियम सल्फेट, लास्ट सोडियम क्लोराइड. मन रखैडा जहां रो कोन नंबर ऑफ डिसोसिएशन हाई थिबो से ऑस्मोटिक प्रेशर तर हाई, जार लो थिबो लो ऑस्मोटिक प्रेशर ऑक्युपेट. Next question 2. In case of 0.5 m urea and 0.5 NaCl, 0.5 acetic acid. Same concentration 0.5 m, 0.5 m, 0.5 m. The concentration constant, R constant, T constant अछि. I consider करो देखो I केते हबो यूरिया एसोसिएशन करबो एटी नंबर ऑफ मोल्स केते मिले तमरो 1 मोल मिलियो एसोसिएट करबो केते तलो I = एटी हबो 1 NaCl I = एसिटिक एसिड कोन रिवर्सिबल रिएक्शन करबो वीक एसिड एटी I = 1 राइट. So which of the following high osmotic pressure? NaCl has high osmotic pressure. Next urea, next acetic acid. One of the dissociation सब बोले तमर कोन osmotic pressure high होतो associate रे तार कोन होतो osmotic pressure low होतो. Next question 3. 10% NaCl and 10% urea and 10% sodium sulfate by mass. This is W by T. Weight by volume, mass by volume percentage. ये तीनटा केस देछे ये तीनटा केस रे ऑस्मोटिक प्रेशर का है हायर. हम कोन करिवो I कंसीडर व्यवहार करिवो I केते लाइटी 2 I = 1 this is I = 3. एक केस तुम नबो ले कोन सोडियम सल्फेट होची हाई ऑस्मोटिक प्रेशर नेक्स्ट सोडियम क्लोराइड नेक्स्ट यूरिया ए कंसीडर ले भूली करे काहे कि कम्युनिटी pi = CRT into I and concentration pi का डिपेंड करछि concentration रे डिपेंड करछि बा मोलारिटी pi = molarity into I molarity consider करबो and also I consider करी तम बाहर करू एटी मोलारिटी बाहर करो फर्स्ट तो 10% NaCl लीचे दिस इज सॉल्यूट केता हो 10 ग्राम सॉल्वेंट 90 ग्राम टोटल सॉल्यूशन केते 100 ml. Molarity formula कोन अछि तमरो weight of solute divided by molecular mass NaCl केते अछि तमरो 58.5 into 1000 divided by volume solution केते अछि 100 कैंसिल कर दियो. This is 10 into 10 divided by 58.5. Next 80 molarity बाहर करो. This is 10 gram. What is the urea? Urea is equal to NH2 CO NH2. This is nitrogen 14 plus 2 12 16 14 plus 2. This is 16 28 30 46 60 60 into cancel कर दिया जाता है कितना 0 10. This is 10 by 6. This is 100 by 58.5 and also 1000 by 585. Last is molarity Na2SO4 sodium 23 46 32 plus 16 into 4 64. 64, 70, 71, 10 is 142. Is 10 by 142, 1000 by 100. This cancel is 100 by 142. देखो आई भी तो तीनटा वैल्यू भीतर कार अधिक रहबो इसी तक 10 by 6 10 by 6 टा कोन तमरो एडा अछि ने आर वैल्यू कोन अछि तमरो अधिक तमरो कोन होछि कार होछि यूरिया तमरो कोन होछि अधिक प्लस यूरिया रो अधिक ले कोन बुझले तमे जेतल तमे ऑस्मोटिक प्रोसेस कलाळू फर्स्ट कोन करो आई कंसीडर करो आल्सो कंसीडरेशन करियो मोलारिटी जार वैल्यू अधिक अधिक मल्टीप्लाई करियो जार वैल्यू अधिक हबो से होची हाई ऑस्मोटिक प्रेशर लो वैल्यू आसिले लो ऑस्मोटिक प्रेशर Next question number 4. तीनटा सॉल्यूट देइछे देखो ए भी तो देखो तुम्हें 1 m NaCl this is 0.5 magnesium chloride 1 m aluminum sulfate एडी तुम कोन करियो पाई ऑस्मोटिक प्रेशर का बर करियो कंसीडर करबो मोलारिटी इनटू वेंटो फैक्टर फर्स्ट कंसीडर वेंटो फैक्टर नबो तार मोलारिटी कंसीडर कर मल्टीप्लाई कर जार हायर वैल्यू आसीबो से होची हाई ऑस्मोटिक प्रेशर क्लियर हमरो गोटे क्वेश्चन आसे हम परीक्षा रे so this chapter is complete the qualitative property also complete next abnormal qualitative pressure clear so this property the chapter also completed so this next class I will taught you to all these qualitative properties and abnormal qualitative so thank you.